How to make Gmail account without phone number. If you want to make a Gmail account and begin using it even without connecting it to a phone number, you have to simply make sure to watch this video till the end. All we have to do is simply open our browser, and I will simply go incognito because I have many accounts synced with my browser. So open your browser or the app and go to gmail.com. By default, it's going to ask me to sign in, but of course we don't want to do that, so tap on the create account button that you can see and select the option called for my personal use. Once you've selected that, simply give your Google account a name that you like, and after you've done that, tap on the next option. From where, you have to simply choose your date of birth and make sure that you're at least over 18 years of age when you do this process, or at least you type in a date of birth that makes you over 18 years. After you've done that, it's going to ask us to choose our unique email address. So you have to simply go ahead and then basically fill up this email address, and this is something that is going to be used whenever you sign in, so make sure that you do not forget it, and this also has to be unique to each of the accounts that you create. So tap on the next option again. And finally, you can see it's going to ask me to create a password even without a phone number. So go ahead and then confirm the password and retype it and tap the next option. Once done, your Gmail account will be successfully created without a phone number. This way you can make your Gmail account without phone number. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.